Got my Mitas hat on, talk about Mitas tyres. These guys are the Mitas 𝗃𝗓𝗥𝗔. So Mitas described them as that they're 90-10 tyre, so 90% tar, asphalt riding, 10% gravel. And in that scenario, in that situation, they work really, really well. So I have to admit, I'm not a great road rider. My background's much more on the off-road side of things, so I need a lot of help when it comes to riding on the road. I need something that's going to be stable, I need something that's going to forgive my mistakes and keep me safe on the road, and that's exactly what these tyres do. The benefit as well is I can't say no to cruising down a gravel road. Sometimes you just got to go and see what's down the end of that road. And with these tyres, I'm safe, I'm secure on the road, I've got loads of mileage, lots of good handling, good speed rating, but I can still sneak off down that gravel, see what's down the end of that road safely. I'm not charging down the gravel, not getting too loose, but the tyre's going to look after me sufficiently to explore down these gravel roads. So where these tyres really excel is on the, the windy backcountry tar roads, where you've got a lot of changing conditions. Sometimes the corner's slippery, sometimes the traction's good, wet, dry, loose gravel on the road, that sort of thing. That's where these more adventure tyres really excel over like more of a sporting tyre in my personal opinion. I know that no matter what the road conditions are, these tyres are going to sort it out for me. And that gives me a lot of confidence to, start pushing my personal boundaries a little bit faster on the road and enjoying the road riding, which is something that's pretty new for me. So on the KTM Adventure R, I'm running the 150/70/18 on the rear. And on the front, I'm running the 21-inch 90/90. Okay, so the 𝗃𝗓𝗥𝗥𝗖𝗘 is a great option for that mainly asphalt tar riding, a little bit of gravel. If you want to step it up and move on to a bit more gravel riding, but there's still some really good road performance, the next step towards the gravel would be the Mitas 𝗃𝗓𝗥𝗥𝗖𝗘+. That's what we'll talk about next.